Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSG Tech with another short video, and today we have an older generation iPad 2, 10 years old, been in the market for quite a time now. And if you have one of them, then definitely you're watching the right video. Moving forward, if you're new to channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get all the upcoming notifications. So today I'm going to show you how you can improve the speed and also improve the battery life on iPad 2nd generation. This also works on iPad 3rd and iPad 4th generations with the older operating systems. So moving forward guys, let's jump into the video. And first of all, you have to go into the settings section and then look for a Spotlight search. On Spotlight search you can disable. Before we move forward guys, let me show you that the speed on this device is not that bad, but when it comes to loading games and apps, sometimes it just sleeps and it doesn't wake up on time, so we have to do that. So first segment is basically go into the general section and look for the Spotlight search. That will be the third or fourth option from the top, and then disable all these. When you click on the search, it will bring all the apps, but since we have disabled that, it will not show any app data in this section. Second part is guys, then you have to go into the privacy section and disable your location service. This will definitely improve your battery life. Then guys, go back to your general section and look for background app refresh. We have only number of apps and games installed on this iPad, but if you are having a lot of them, then you can also restrict the background app refresh. This will have a massive impact on the battery and on speed as well. Then guys, come back to general and look for accessibility. Then go back to accessibility and look for reduce motion. Click on the reduce motion and then click on the reduce transparency, inside increase contrast, and click on this segment as well. And once you come back, you can see that the scaling and the transition between the apps is super fast. It will take some time to settle down, and as you can see guys, that we have a huge difference in speed. This will impact on your battery as well. So that was it for today's short video guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any feedback or comments, don't forget to leave in the comment section below. I'll bring you more videos guys, so heads up and subscribe to my channel. This will help me a lot in future. Stay safe, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.